If you are an avid drinker of black coffee, it is time to rejoice. There are plenty of benefits to your body and mind that are attributed to your favorite beverage. Many studies have proven black coffee benefits weight loss compared to any other caffeine-based drink. If you think, what is black coffee? And how is it different from regular coffee? Black coffee is a beverage that is a preparation that doesn't add any additives or milk. When compared to other variants of caffeine, it is usually bitter and is also called espresso. Black coffee is quickly gaining popularity among health enthusiasts, and with good reason. Compared to the variant prepared with milk and sugar, black coffee has a low number of calories. When black coffee is paired with a proper exercise routine, you can quickly burn all those extra pounds. According to research, the consumption of caffeine promotes better weight reduction and management. Reasons why black coffee is effective for weight loss. 1. Black coffee boosts your metabolism. Black coffee increases metabolic activity and boosts the energy levels in your body since it consists of caffeine. You will have better weight loss results with a higher metabolic rate. Make sure to prepare a low-calorie drink by not adding any sweeteners. You can enhance the taste of your black coffee by adding nut milk, butter, ghee, cinnamon, ginger, honey, or jaggery. 2. Reduces hunger craving. Black coffee works on the central nervous system, reducing your desire for excessive eating. Caffeine helps suppress the peptide E, which are hunger hormones that make you avoid weight-gaining foods. The stimulation of metabolic activity and increase in energy level suppresses hunger with caffeine present in black coffee. 3. Decreases the extra water content in the body. Excess water in your body is one of the primary reasons for increased weight in many people, and black coffee can be a perfect remedy to treat it. Black coffee helps you urinate frequently by flushing out extra water content from your body. Although the weight loss is temporary, this way has no side effects. If you have water weight and want a quick fix, this option is perfect. 4. Helps you burn calories. Drinking black coffee keeps you active, burning more calories by stimulating metabolic activity efficiently. This way, black coffee helps you lose weight by burning more calories. Black coffee is a calorie-free drink and has 5.4 calories only. The best way to burn more calories is to consume this beverage before a workout. 5. Decreasing the production of glucose in the body. Chlorogenic acid is an antioxidant present in black coffee that can cause weight loss and slow glucose production in your body, reducing the risk of diabetes. This antioxidant improves insulin sensitivity and inhibits intestinal glucose absorption. Although there is more research needed. Caffeine raises epinephrine, which is a stress hormone. It doesn't let your cells process too much sugar. Best time to drink black coffee for weight loss. Although many people believe drinking black coffee burns fat, mostly when consumed early morning. It may cause several side effects such as upset tummy and acid reflux if you do it on an empty stomach. This is why experts advise consuming black coffee for fat loss when the cortisol levels are relatively high, during the time frame of 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 5 p.m.